Hi there. This episode is about trapping, and more particularly mouse and rat trapping. So no big traps or anything really. Now, the reason why I'm doing this trapping is not because I enjoy killing animals, but it's because I have lots of little cute ones like this one. So this little chicken here, and of course got other chickens about, and all my other animals and pets as well, and also my crops and all of that. The mice and rats are, it's not good to have around, just general health and safety as well. And lots of compost and all the kind of things that make nice little cozy homes and food for these little creatures. So, as I say again, I really don't enjoy killing the things, but I do say that trapping is fun, mainly in that when you get a stick and hook it goes off with a big bang, which is also rather dangerous as well. So, welcome to this episode of Gardener Gone Wild! Today we're going to be talking about traps, like rat and mouse traps, just like this one. Such fun. So we've got a bit of an infestation at the moment, especially in there. So today we're going to be talking about traps, how to set them, and how they're such fun. Dangerous fun. Kids, do not do this at home. This is seriously dangerous. Also, we're going to be doing a review of various different traps and how actually effective they are. Okay, first we'll start with the Victor rat trap. This one is, how do we put it? Quite meaty or powerful, and the most dangerous one probably. At least the most dangerous one will be trying, because I'm not willing to try any more dangerous than this one. Enough. So I'm just showing you here the hood, and the bait gets placed in the small part right in here. Can you see that? Yes. And that's just part of us setting it up. And this hood is detachable. We can just take it off and disconnect it here, and it shows better the station and not setting it, but how this part will slot under here, and then you place that there and it will balance out when we set it. But that is not for now. So we'll put the hood back on, because the hood's quite effective, because it means they're less likely to go in behind and take the bait. And of course not get hit, because it'll go right over the head. So now from here, setting up, which, as I repeat, kids, do not try this at home. So first of all, we need to bait it before setting it up, because do not touch when it is set. I should probably do that now. And now for baiting it. So we scoop out where is it now? A rat-sized lump of peanut butter. It's not the size of a rat, but size for a rat. And we put it in the trap. So on that same little bait plate as I'd shown you before, and just place it right on it. And probably could do it better than me. Yes. Right. And she's all baited. Now, the part which you have to be really careful about, setting it. And for setting it. So, lifting this very firmly, get it with the thumbs, pull it back, make sure you have it firmly in. This little piece we mentioned earlier will be placed here, and then I'm going to get in and lift up the bait area, making sure you have it held firm till it's right up there. Then, even if it doesn't seem like it's going to hold, just ease back the slack ever so slightly and it will sort of catch. And then once you're confident it has caught, it's set. Now, we're putting it in the trapping station. So, yet again, be careful, it's a live trap. Now we're going to talk about how the trapping station works just very briefly. So, this is where you put the trap in, so you lift it up, put the trap in, and at the front there's a small hole. And when you get your rat is going to go in the hole, think it's a nice little tunnel, see the interesting bait, and of course be caught by the trap. So, obviously we have to put the trap in the trapping station. So you be very, very careful. Make sure the trap is conveniently lined up, and then you're going to grab your trap, lift it up, and make sure it's obviously pointing, you know, bait hood first. Goes in, not too far, just the way you'll place the little slot for the gate, and put it on. And not put it on round the wrong way. So once you've put it in the right way, that's it. You have a live trapping station, all rearing to go. Righty! Now we're going to put it in. Grab it. Make sure you don't shake it or do anything insane with it. Oh, I'm going to place it down here. Oh. Now when you place it on the wall or other surface. Once it is placed along the surface, the hole is that way, so hopefully they'll come out here, see an interesting little wall and pop in the hole, which you probably can't see. And you have to wait. Hopefully not too long. I'm wild about this mouse trap. For a better mouse trap. Because I just got a mouse. And it's the second one in 2 days. Which is pretty good. And it's a mouse. And I used butter. Because these ones, butter works really well. And I've got a mouse. So yeah, definitely recommend the better mousetrap. Obviously easy to set up and yeah, easy. This is my deep waste. This is where I get rid of all my surplus composting capacity. So I'm just putting a hole in it, and as you can see it's quite hard to put a hole in it because I've already filled it up quite a lot. This is where I'll be putting my mouse. Let's see if I can do a hole. This will probably do, doesn't have to be too deep because I'll be filling it over with all this dirt over here. Lots and lots of it. Which is mostly sand, as you can see. So, we have a hole, and we have the better mousetrap, which is very easy to use. Just all you need to do is click this open here and imagine it doesn't get stuck. And as you can see, the trap is set again to use. So of course we will just unset it, cover over the mouse, and that is a simple guide to deep wasting that I'll need to do later. To prevent vermin in your deep waste, I have some coffee grinds here from the local cafe. Very useful stuff. Put them on to prevent vermin because of course you've disposed of your mouse. Why do you want a million of more attracted to your deep waste? Just sprinkle it all around There we go, shouldn't have any mice or rats hassling me about this one. Today, as you can see, is rather rainy, and it's also the perfect day for checking on your rat traps. So I've just done that, and well, nothing has been caught. So right here I've got the big spring times up rat trap, and as you can see, nothing took the butter. I mean, not nothing, the butter was taken, but the trap got nothing. So that was rather useless. The number 8 trap is rather rubbish. I just use it as a dummy trap because it really just doesn't do anything at all. So I've tried it and the rat will just come along, go in, it gets set off, but a rat quite happily scuttles off and comes back in a few hours. Raining! I also checked the Victor trap in the trapping station. Nothing there. Hasn't been set off. No activity. I'll set the traps again and check on them this evening. Hopefully when it's not raining as much. So for now, so the reason why I'm into trapping is because trapping is, well, really the most cheap, efficient and humane way of killing mice and rats. I mean, baits, they're just horrible. I'm just totally against any forms of baits or poisons or anything like that, especially because a lot of them will kill them slowly. And of course the thing is, what if something else like a cat or other predator eats the, you know, dead mice and rats, or even the dying ones with the poisons in, and then that can transfer the poison on. So totally against poisons. So join me and my little friend for part 2, and of course please like and subscribe.